Hello. Sweden. Sweden is on the Scandinavian peninsula. Sweden borders Norway to the west and Finland to the northeast. It is on the Baltic coast in the east and the Gulf of Bothnia in the south. Here we have the Nobel ceremonies in Stockholm, all of them except for the Peace Prize, the Nobel Museum in Stockholm. Nobel Prize and Prize Winners Museum. Except for the Nobel Peace Prize, all the Nobel Prize ceremonies take place in Stockholm. Each laureate receives a gold medal, a diploma, and money. The Nobel Prize is in the fields of literature, medicine, physics, chemistry, peace, and economics. The Northern Lights. The Aurora Sky Station in the Abisko National Park. From here, you can see the Aurora Borealis. Abisko Sky Station, here and here. And here is the midnight sun. The midnight sun, it never gets dark here. There is always daylight between the end of May to the middle of July. Activities. In Swedish Lapland, you can go climbing up the mountains, go downhill and cross-country skiing, fishing, canoeing, and river rafting, climbing, snowmobiling, cycling, dog sledging, have reindeer rides and meet the Sami. The Tree Hotel, Luleå. You can stay in the Luxury Tree Hotel. This is situated near Luleå. It consists of a collection of luxury tree houses. These include the UFO, a room with a view, the Mirror Cube, the tree sauna, and the bird's nest. The Ice Hotel. It is located in Jukkasjärvi. It is the world's largest ice and snow hotel. It includes an ice church and an ice bar. Here's the bar and here's the dining room. It is constructed annually in November-December. It melts in April-May. The accommodation includes snow rooms, ice rooms, and art suites. You can eat and drink from ice plates and ice glasses. You can sleep in bedrooms with -5 degrees. There are snowmobile excursions up to the Sapmi. There are fishing trips, moose watching, ice sculpting, northern lights, dog sledging, and other excursions. Costa Havet. This is a marine national park in the Costa Islands. It is 2 hours north of Gothenburg. The location offers beautiful landscape with many different plants and flowers. The beaches are beautiful and the Costa Light has inspired many artists. You can see lobster, here's the lobster, shellfish and seals, here are the seals. The sports are diving and sea kayaking. Marstrand. This island is 1 hour from Gothenburg. It is Sweden's answer to Hollywood. It hosts the Stena Match Cup. This is Sweden's largest international sailing event. Here, royalty and celebrities visit. National food and national dress. Meatballs and fish are national food in Sweden. Here are the meatballs potatoes and berries. Here's the smoked salmon, potatoes and salad, and here is the national dress. Schools and teaching. Education is free. There are also private schools. Children can go to preschool from the age of 1. Children start compulsory school at the age of 7 to the age of 16. Grading does not start until the students are in 6th grade, age 13. Pupils have 9 years of primary school and then 3 years of secondary school. After this, the pupils can go for higher education or receive vocational training or education. The Øresund Bridge. This bridge links Sweden to Denmark. It is a 3-cabled stayed bridge which links Sweden to Denmark. It was opened in 2000. The bridge is nearly 8 kilometers long. It is the longest road and rail bridge in Europe. Bye-bye.